Hey guys, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody! Happy Saturday! Hope your weekend's starting off to a great start, and it is day 117 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
If you don't know, that's us, we're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden while we're under quarantine.
And we're so thankful you're here today, everybody. And if you're new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on all our daily videos.
So guys, being that it's Garden Tools Saturday, we wanted to show you one of the tools we can't do our gardening without, and it's our watering rain wand.
Yeah, for the last few weeks, we've highlighted several of our most favorite tools, and this one is probably close to the top of the list.
Oh yeah, especially this time of year, we can't do without it.
And we have two different versions to show you, both made by Dramm Corporation, which is our hands-down favorite company for watering supplies.
Yep, we really like Dramm products. Dramm, the company, is awesome.
And we gotta mention, we're not affiliates for Dramm. We love their stuff.
We just like their stuff, and we like the people. They're good people.
Great.
Hi, Jessica.
They have been really generous in sending us some products to give away, which very soon on our Instagram page, we will be giving away one of the tools that we're showing you today.
So with that, let's show you the tools. So guys, here is the first watering rain wand we wanted to show you today, again, by Dramm Corporation. This is the 16-inch watering rain wand. And you can see it's got a nice handle. It's got an on-off switch. This is their thumb on and off switch. And it's great to use because it's so easy. I mean, it's just really fluid. And it's supposed to be a lot easier if you have grip issues or arthritis issues. This really works well. And you can see it's got its shaft here, and then it comes to a head. It's got the bent head, so it's easier for you to get in and water plants where you don't have to do a lot of this. So here's the actual nozzle of the Dramm watering wand. And so this is a great product because it has different watering patterns that you can just adjust with a turn and a click. And this is so awesome because depending on your needs, you might need to get a lot further, you might need more pressure, you might need a gentler type of watering pattern, and this will help you do that. This is so cool. And there's all these different types of settings on here, and it just clicks either clockwise or counterclockwise. Here's all the different patterns that are available on here. When you click, it actually engages those different patterns to let the water out at that specific pattern. And we'll show you those in a minute. So overall, this is a great product. It's very durable, very durable. We put it through its paces in our garden a lot. And so we haven't had one break down on us. They do have replacement parts. You can replace the head itself if you need to, and the rest of the wand's fine, and your on-off switch is fine, and you just need to replace this for whatever reason. It comes right off, and you can replace it real fast, which is really cool, and it goes on real easy. I mean, they've really thought this through. This is a really good rain wand. Another great thing is this is really lightweight and it's well balanced. It's made of plastic and aluminum pieces, and it's really, really light and easy to maneuver. So just keep that in mind when you're looking for a rain wand. So guys, that was the 16-inch rain wand by Dramm. Now, here is a different rain wand. This rain wand is what they call the telescoping rain wand, and you can see the difference between the two. Here's, if you got handle to handle at that same level, look at how big this is as it sits right now. This isn't even fully extended. So guys, for this rain wand, this is really cool. It starts out at about 33 inches. Can you believe it? It's a really long rain wand just by itself. And it's got this really cool grip, and it's got this handle here. It still has the on-off switch, which is really easy to use. Again, ergonomic and easy to use if you have grip or arthritis issues in your hands. And you can also see that it's got the same head on it, the same nozzle with all the different spray patterns. And again, it just works with clockwise or counterclockwise, turning it back and forth to find which pattern of watering you want to do. So guys, something to know about this product is it just came out this spring, and unfortunately it pretty much sold out. It's really hard to find right now, especially online, so keep that in mind if you're looking to have something like this for your garden. Now, you ready to be wowed? Okay, here we go. This actually extends to 55 inches. Isn't that amazing? So here we go. The easy way to do this is to loosen this head up here with this. And you just unloosen that. It's real easy to do, by the way. Super, super easy. Okay, so now, here we go. That is fully extended. I'm gonna take this and bring this down. This one has gotten a lot of action, a lot of use since Dramm sent it to us earlier this spring. So thank you, Dramm, by the way. So I'm gonna turn this and position this just the way we want it. We went from 34 inches to 55 inches. Look how big this is. Now I'm gonna take a step back just a little bit, and I'm going to show you. Now here's the handle, here's the on-off switch. You're going to need this handle right here, this foam handle here, because now look what you can do. Look how long that is. You can really reach different plants from one location. You don't have to move around. All you got to do is pivot. You can reach a little bit easier. Guys, both Allison and I can use this wand one-handed, even with water running through it and that added weight when we're watering, because it's so well balanced. If your needs change, depending on what you're doing, you can go down. It doesn't have to be fully extended or fully in. You can choose the length that's the best fit for you and your watering needs at that point. So I just did halfway, so here we go. It's still really simple to use. So guys, here is the fully extended 55-inch telescoping rain wand by Dramm, and here is their 16-inch rain wand.
So here are the 9 different patterns that are available on this head, and it's so cool. This is just a basic shower. There's a screen. We use this a lot for cleaning up hard, pretty areas. This is a fan, which, to be honest, we don't really use this one very often, but it would be helpful for certain situations. This is a flat, so it kind of gets a different angle. This is a mist, which we use a lot for our seedlings and really gentle, small, delicate plants. Here's another angle. Here's a cone. Here's the center. And then rain, which is a gentle shower.
So guys, there's a lot of different versions of watering wands out there, and we found that the Dramm watering wand is the best one and the one we like to use around our garden. You might have a different type of watering wand or a different manufacturer, and that's great. They are a very good tool to water with. So guys, with that, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Go ahead and give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Thank you for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow with our next Garden Science Sunday.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.